How do we teach children to read these words? Ice, nice or rice? We can tell them these are magic keywords like letter I and letter E together are making long I sound. So they can read it now as I, K, I, K or I, K. That's not making any sense. So we have to tell them these are soft C words. When letter I, letter E or letter Y comes after letter C, instead of making K sound, letter C makes S sound. So now we can read these words as I, S, ice, N, I, S, nice or I, S, rice. Information about my online phonics class will be shared here soon. So follow us to learn more.